Hi everybody, welcome back another video. This video I'm going to talk about the article a. The article a is used to define a noun as unspecific. How to use the article a? We use a when we are talking about any one thing, and also when a noun starts with consonant. For example, this is my friend Tim. Tim says me, give me a reason. That's mean any reason. For example, then I say, because I want to watch TV, because I want to listen to music. That's mean any reason. This is my reason, or this is my reason. Now we use a when a noun starts with consonant. For example, a cat. Cat starts with consonant. A dog. Dog starts with consonant. A video. Video starts with consonant. That's all for this video. I hope that was helpful. We are going to continue in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.